Hi, my name's Anthony. I'm a student of biology at McGill University. I'm here in Singapore in the heart of Southeast Asia. Singapore is one of these incredible cities at the forefront of urban innovation. Urban areas are in serious need of rethinking. Although cities only cover 2% of the planet's surface, they contribute 70% of its harmful greenhouse gas emissions. And today, 1 in 4 city dwellers worldwide live without access to improved sanitation, and yet we see that 80% of wastewater goes uncollected and untreated. And not only that, but by 2050, the urban population is set to increase by 2.9 billion, and the number of cars to triple to 3 billion. So these are overwhelming numbers, but many cities have already begun to lead the way towards sustainable solutions. And the truth is that there isn't one single solution. In this video, Malie and I will introduce you to some initiatives taken up in other cities around the world, Stockholm and Singapore. Water availability has always been problematic for Singapore. In 1965, 80% of Singapore's fresh water was imported from Malaysia. In less than 50 years, that number dropped from 80% to 40%, although the population has almost tripled since then. And the hope is that the country will be completely self-sufficient by 2061. The key to Singapore's remarkable achievement is multifaceted. In addition to water imports, Singapore makes use of artificial reservoirs, of seawater desalination, and wastewater recycling. And together, these make up what's known as Singapore's 4 taps. Let's take a closer look. This is Macritchie Reservoir, Singapore's oldest reservoir. In addition to supplying the country with water, reservoirs double as attractions for recreational activities, such as kayaking and dragon boating, and some, such as this one, serve simultaneously as nature reserves. Singapore's 17 reservoirs already make up 60% of the country's total area, and that number is projected to increase to 90% by 2060. Desalination currently supplies 10% of Singapore's water needs. Seawater is removed of its suspended particles, undergoes reverse osmosis, and is remineralized before it makes its way to homes and industries in the western part of Singapore. Finally, NEWater is the brand name given to the purified reclaimed wastewater, which supplies around 30% of Singapore's water requirements. The NEWater treatment process is multifaceted and strictly regulated, such that the final product actually exceeds the WHO standards for drinking water. Now let's take a look at what's going on in Stockholm, in Sweden.
Hello, my name is Malie Lessard-Therrien. I have a master's degree in biology and I am doing a research collaboration at Stockholm University in Sweden. And I will be introducing you to Hammarby Sjöstad, which is a new city development that is sustainable and is now playing an international role model. The idea behind Hammarby Sjöstad, the city on the water, was to convert an old industrial and harbor area into a modern city district where people would be part of an eco-cycle. In this neighborhood, 80% of resident and employees' journey is made on foot, cycling, or public transport. There are trams, ferry, and electric cars available for carpooling. Garbage bins are linked by underground pipes to a central collection station to which the waste is carried by vacuum suction to reduce truck traffic into the area. Food waste and water sewage are biodegraded to produce biogas used in stove and city buses.
I think it's clear that real sustainable solutions aren't out of reach. Some cities have already made some serious changes to how they conceive of urban areas, and the results are astounding. So maybe it's time we asked ourselves, why not us?